The rolling grill basket set by Ivtefeu is a thoughtfully designed grilling accessory that has quickly become a favorite among barbecue enthusiasts. This set includes 2 grill baskets made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, featuring removable wooden handles crafted from beechwood. The handles not only provide a visually appealing contrast to the steel, but also offer excellent grip and heat insulation, making them comfortable and safe to use during grilling. The handles attach securely to the baskets with threaded connections, reinforced to ensure stability and durability during cooking. One of the standout features of this grill basket set is its innovative nesting design. This clever engineering allows the smaller basket to nest inside the larger one, with the removable handles and accessories stored inside the smaller basket. This compact nesting system makes transporting the baskets convenient and saves valuable space whether you are packing for a camping trip, a backyard gathering, or simply storing them at home. This design consideration is especially appreciated by those who frequently grill outdoors and need gear that is easy to carry and store. The baskets themselves are constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel, known for its durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. The wire mesh gauge and the thickness of the front and back plates are notably more substantial than standard grill baskets, contributing to the product's robustness. The entire metal surface is mirror polished, which not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also makes cleaning easier after use. Users have found that the baskets clean up well with hand washing, and they are also dishwasher safe, adding to their convenience. Performance-wise, the rolling grill basket excels in grilling a variety of foods, particularly vegetables, shrimp, and smaller cuts of meat that might otherwise fall through a traditional grill grate. The baskets allow for even cooking and make it easy to turn the food without losing any pieces. This is a significant improvement over the common method of wrapping vegetables in foil, which can be cumbersome and requires frequent checking and rewrapping to avoid burning fingers. With these baskets, slicing vegetables with a mandolin and placing them directly inside the basket simplifies the preparation and cooking process. Many users have expressed their satisfaction with how well the baskets cook different types of food. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, shrimp, and other vegetables come out evenly cooked and flavorful. The baskets have been used repeatedly, sometimes for several days in a row, highlighting their durability and the enjoyment they bring to grilling routines. The ease of use encourages more frequent grilling of vegetables and seafood, promoting healthier eating habits. However, some users have noted a minor drawback regarding the lid design. The lids do not have a clamping mechanism, which means they can occasionally come off if not carefully monitored during grilling. While this does not detract significantly from the overall functionality, it is something to be aware of to prevent food from falling out. Despite this, the overall craftsmanship and design quality remain highly praised. Cleaning the baskets is straightforward due to the polished stainless steel surface, and the removable handles make it easier to handle the baskets during washing. The baskets are sturdy, though a few users expected them to be slightly more robust based on the product images and description. Nevertheless, the quality is generally regarded as very good, suitable for frequent use. This grill basket set also makes an excellent gift for barbecue lovers. The packaging is attractive and the product itself is both practical and stylish, making it a thoughtful present for friends, family members, or significant others who enjoy outdoor cooking. Many recipients have expressed delight in receiving this set, with some calling it the best gift they have received in years. In summary, the rolling grill basket set by Ivtefeu is a highly functional and well-designed grilling accessory that enhances the outdoor cooking experience. Its durable stainless steel construction, removable wooden handles, and innovative nesting design combine to offer convenience, safety, and ease of use. While the lid could benefit from a more secure closure, this minor issue does not overshadow the many benefits the baskets provide. Whether you are a seasoned grill master or a casual outdoor cook, these baskets are a valuable addition to your BBQ toolkit. The product is highly recommended for anyone looking to simplify grilling vegetables, shrimp, and other small foods, while ensuring even cooking and easy cleanup. If you own this product, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase is in the description to support the channel.